Freecash can temporarily restrict your account if it detects logins or activity from multiple devices, because its fraud detection system is designed to protect rewards, offers, and advertiser payouts. By the end of this video, you'll know why the multiple devices warning appears, and the safest ways to get your account working normally again. The fastest fix is to stop switching between devices. If you've been signing in on your phone, tablet, and computer, within a short period, choose one primary device and use only that for a while. Rapid device changes can look unusual to automated security systems, even if you're the account owner. Next, check whether anyone else has access to your account. Freecash accounts are intended for individual use, so sharing an account with family members or friends can trigger security checks. If someone else has been logging in, ask them to stop immediately. If you're using a VPN, proxy, cloud gaming service, or remote desktop connection, disconnect it before opening Freecash. These services can change your visible location or network, which may increase the chance of a security flag. Now, make sure you're running the latest version of the Freecash app if you're on mobile. If you're using a browser, clear your cache and cookies, then sign in again. Outdated app data or browser files can sometimes create login problems that look like account issues. If you've recently replaced your phone or reset your device, give the system some time to recognize the new hardware. Avoid repeatedly logging out and back in or trying several devices in a row while you're waiting. If the warning doesn't disappear, contact Freecash support through the help section in your account. Explain that you're the account owner, describe the devices you've used, and include screenshots of any error messages. Providing clear information makes it easier for the support team to review your account. While waiting for a response, don't create a second Freecash account. Multiple accounts can violate the platform's rules and may make the situation more difficult to resolve. Here's the quick recap. Use one primary device. Stop using VPNs or shared logins. Update the app or browser, and contact support if the restriction remains. Those steps solve the majority of legitimate multiple device issues without creating additional account problems. If this video helped you fix your Freecash account, give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and check out our other videos covering common Freecash errors and reward tracking issues.